Photo proof. The slut and the father slut. He doesn't know whether to go for this. Yeah. If this guy tries to get my cat pregnant again, it will meet its demise. Don't do it, buddy. I know, I get it. Don't do it, man. Virginia. This is going to be police evidence. Hey! Hey! The two of you! Get him! God damn it. Hey! You little slut! Get out of here! Get out of here! Oh, don't follow me. Kitty! Kitty! Come on. Nope, we're going inside. Come on. Potential pregnancy averted. You need to really learn some personal values. Do you have anything to say for yourself? Nothing?